Hi guys, welcome to my channel Vegetable. Today we are going to make yummy and cheesy veg lasagna. For first we are going to make a white sauce. For that, take a broad pan and melt the butter. Fry 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in butter. Now add a cup of milk to it. While making white sauce, using beater will be convenient. Add salt for the sauce and pepper, some Italian herbs, basil and oregano is must. Thyme and parsley are optional. Now add Parmesan cheese to it. And cook till the sauce becomes thick consistency. Now we can fry some vegetables for layering the lasagna. You can use whatever vegetables you like. Usually onion, corn, bell pepper and carrot will be good for lasagna. Fry it with salt and some chili flakes. Have bought some red sauce from shop. You can start layering the lasagna. Take a baking bowl and spread red sauce at the bottom and fill it with lasagna sheet. Now spread some red sauce on it. Now add the fried vegetables. And white sauce. And fill it with cheese. Have used mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like cheddar. Cheddar will be also good. Mostly shredded cheese will be good for this. And repeat this process for 2 to 3 times. Now cover it with aluminum foil. As I have used the non-pre-cooked sheets, I am covering with aluminum foil. Bake it at 210 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. 25 minutes has been over. Our lasagna is ready. Let it sit for 10 minutes before you cut it. Now cut and serve our lasagna. If you like the recipe, like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to vegetable channel. I will post videos on every Wednesday and Sunday. Thank you.